Imagine this. You're over 50, your kids are grown, your job feels uncertain, and retirement? Well, it doesn't quite look as golden as they promised on the brochures, does it? But what if I told you that 2025 is the best year in history to start a remote side hustle, even if you've never really touched technology before? Stick with me until the very end, because I am about to show you 6 powerful remote side hustles that anyone over 50 can start right from home. No degree, no fancy setup, and absolutely no tech headache required. And the 6th one, it could literally replace your full-time income. Let's dive in. You've worked hard your entire life. You've seen the world change in incredible ways, from dial-up internet screeching in the background to artificial intelligence that feels like science fiction. But here's the thing. The internet isn't just for the young anymore. It's your opportunity. It's your comeback story. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's explore 6 remote side hustles designed perfectly for the 50-plus generation in 2025. First up, the virtual assistant. Think of it as the digital secretary revolution. Remember when secretaries managed schedules, handled phone calls, and kept all the paperwork in order? Well, that exact same skill set is now digital gold online. Let me introduce you to Linda, a 56-year-old from Texas. She lost her job during the pandemic and honestly thought her career was over. Fast forward to today. She's making over $1,800 a month, working part-time as a virtual assistant for small business owners, right from her kitchen table. The only tools she uses? Email, Google Calendar, and Zoom. Here's a fact for you. The demand for virtual assistants has skyrocketed by over 300% since 2020, and most business owners actually prefer mature, reliable workers. So if you've got solid organizational skills and a good dose of patience, you're already more than qualified. Number 2, online tutoring. This is all about turning your experience into income. You absolutely do not need to be a tech genius to teach online. All you need is knowledge and decades of real-world experience. Whether your expertise is in English, math, history, or even business skills, online tutoring platforms like Wisent, Preply, or Tutor.com are constantly looking for experienced adults. Take Mark, a 62-year-old retired engineer. He started tutoring high school students in math online. In his very first month, he made an extra $900. By his 3rd month, he was earning more than his pension check. The truth is, while thousands of younger tutors might rely on flashy tech and complicated software, what parents are really looking for is trust and reliability. And that's something that only comes with genuine experience. Our 3rd side hustle is freelance writing, getting paid for what you already know. You've got stories, you've got wisdom, and you've got a lifetime of experience. Companies need that perspective now more than ever. From writing blog posts and ghostwriting memoirs to crafting product reviews, the world of freelance writing has absolutely exploded in 2025. And despite all the buzz, AI hasn't replaced real human emotion and perspective. In fact, freelancers over 50 earn, on average, 20% more per article because clients deeply value authenticity and clarity. Diane, 59, from Florida, had never written a single word online before. She took one short, simple course on Upwork, wrote her first blog post for $50, and now consistently earns over $3,000 a month writing about topics she knows well, like retirement planning and health tips. You can even use free AI tools like ChatGPT to help you brainstorm ideas, but always remember to keep your personal touch. That unique voice is what truly sells. Next up, at number 4, we have remote customer support. This is a true hidden gem. Did you know that major companies like Amazon, Apple, and American Express actively hire part-time remote customer support agents, and they specifically target older workers? Why? Because older voices tend to sound more trustworthy, calmer, and more patient on the phone. Think about Bob, who's 54. He used to work in retail and absolutely hated standing on his feet for 8 hours a day. Now he works comfortably from home, handling support calls for a software company. He earns a solid $22 an hour with complete flexibility over his schedule. While many younger applicants are chasing those flashy, high-profile jobs, mature voices are quietly and steadily building stable, home-based careers. All you really need to get started is a reliable internet connection and a friendly voice. Coming in at number 5 is print on demand, the creative goldmine. If you think it's too late to start something creative, think again. Print on demand allows you to design things like t-shirts, coffee mugs, and tote bags, and then sell them all over the world without ever touching a single piece of inventory. Platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Teespring handle all the printing, shipping, and logistics for you. Susan, who is 61, started uploading funny quotes about aging onto t-shirts, with slogans like, "I'm not old, I'm just chronologically gifted." Her designs went viral on Etsy, and she made $12,000 in her first year, mostly while watching TV in the evenings. It is a fun fact that many of the top-selling Etsy store owners in the funny quote, "Nature over 50, you don't need to be a professional artist. You just need a bit of creativity and a good sense of humor." And finally, number 6, online consulting or coaching. This one is the most powerful of all, where you turn your wisdom directly into wealth. You've spent decades learning, managing people, and navigating life's challenges. That experience is priceless. You can turn your career lessons, your leadership experience, or your life knowledge into valuable coaching or consulting sessions on sites like Clarity, FM, LinkedIn, or even by creating your own simple website. Patricia, 58, started offering career coaching for women who were returning to the workforce. She charges $75 an hour, works just 10 hours a week, and has clients from 3 different countries. While so much of the world chases youth, Patricia's maturity became her superpower. She doesn't even try to compete with 20-year-olds, she teaches them. So let's do a quick recap. We have Virtual Assistant, where your organization skills pay the bills. Online Tutoring, where you teach your wisdom. Freelance Writing, where you share your unique experience. Remote Customer Support, helping people from the comfort of your home. Print on Demand, where you can create and sell your ideas. And finally, Coaching or Consulting, where you profit directly from your life's wisdom. Age is not a limitation. In 2025, it's your leverage. Because the world doesn't just need more younger people with skills. It needs more experienced people with wisdom. And that's you. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, stop scrolling and start your first remote side hustle today. Ivy added links below in the description to free resources and beginner-friendly tools to get you started. Click that link, start your journey, and please remember, you're not too old to start. You're far too valuable to stop. Don't forget to subscribe to Money Mind USA for more powerful financial freedom videos just like this one. Your comeback starts today.